How to fix your Android TV keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi is running slowly or it keeps disconnecting, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing we need to do is check our network settings. So go and bring up the settings on your TV. You can either do this from the home screen by coming up to the quick settings, or you can just press the settings button on your TV remote. And then from the settings, you need to go and select Wi-Fi. Now try turning your Wi-Fi off for about 10 seconds. You could then try turning it back on. Now scroll down to your network connection and then go and select your network from the list. You'll then need to scroll down and you may have an option here for signal strength. You need to make sure that this is at least good or excellent. So if your router is too far away from your television, you may be getting poor signal strength, which causes your Wi-Fi to disconnect. Now, if your Wi-Fi strength is good or it's excellent, then just come down to forget network and then just go in forget this Wi-Fi network from your device. Once it's been forgotten, you can head back over to the Wi-Fi settings and then you'll just need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi from the list. Now come back over to the home screen on your television and once again just go and load up your settings. From the quick settings page, this time we're going to scroll up to all settings and click on this. And then you'll need to scroll down to system and select this. Scroll down to date and time. Click on automatic date and time and make sure use network provided time is turned on. You can then check to see if your Wi-Fi has now been fixed. If it's still not working or it keeps disconnecting, come back over to the system settings and this time click on about. Now click on system update at the top of the page and just make sure that your television is fully up to date. If you have tried all of these steps and your Wi-Fi is still not working, you'll need to scroll down to reset, click on factory reset, and then you'll need to restore your television back to its original settings. Now just bear in mind this will delete any third-party apps you have installed on your TV. You'll also need to go and sign back in to all of your different accounts, and you'll also need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, and this should solve any issues where your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Android TV.